Which alphabet is this, kids? It's U. U for umbrella. Today we will learn all the alphabet from A to Z. First of all, E. E for apple. A. A for apple. B. B for bike. B for bike. C for cars. C for car. C for car. D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fish. Z. Z for grapes. G for grapes. H. H for hen. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Z. Z for jungle. Z for jungle. K. K for kite. K for kite. L. L for lemon. L for lemon. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. N. N for nose. N for nose. O. O for octopus. O for octopus. P. P for papaya. P for papaya. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. S for snake. S for snake. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for van. V for van. W. W for watch. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Y for egg. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z. Z for zebra.